In this video, we will see how to install and configure SQL Developer in local machine. SQL Developer is a free tool by Oracle which is mainly used as query editor. Using SQL Developer, we can do a lot of things like browse various database objects, execute queries and scripts, export and import data, create reports, migrate other database to Oracle. Before we proceed, make sure you have Oracle database installed in your machine. If you don't have installed it, refer our video for Oracle 11G installation on Windows. Link is given in the description. Go to Bing or Google and search for Oracle SQL Developer download. Or check the link in the description. Click Oracle website link only. I am going with the 64-bit version. You can check your operating system whether it is 64-bit or 32-bit and download accordingly. Review and accept Oracle license agreement. You will have to sign in to download software. If you don't have an Oracle account, you can sign up quickly and sign in. After downloading, right-click and extract files. Check for SQL Developer exe file in the extracted folder. You can right-click and create shortcuts on the desktop for easy access. Click on exe file to open SQL Developer. Check for TNS file path on the Database Detected tab. Copy path and go to the TNS file location. Open TNS file in Notepad. You can find the details of the database installed in your local machine. Make a note of a TNS name exe. Go to the SQL Developer. Let's create a new connection for SYS account. Click on the New Connection plus button on the left top corner. Enter connection name, SYS, or you can enter anything. Enter username as SYS. And enter database password which you entered while installing database. Select role as SYSDBA from the drop-down. Check for save password. Select connection type TNS as we are going to use our database details saved in TNS file. Select network alias as exe, which is nothing but the service name which we noted earlier from the TNS file. Click on Test button. You can see success message here. Click on Save button and then click Connect. You can find SYS connection on left panel. Click on plus button. You can browse all database objects from SYS users here. Let's run query on employee table from HR user. Go to other user and click on HR. Type select query in SQL tab. Click on a run statement to execute query. You will get all rows from employee table in the output. We have completed SQL Developer configuration with Oracle database and tested connection successfully by executing SQL query. If you face any kind of error while following steps, please mention error details in the comment. We'll show how to unlock HR account in our next video. If you like the content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like Facebook page. Thank you.